The Director of Public Prosecutions opened this morning's session addressing what he called the most important people in the room, the jurors, who will ultimately decide the outcome of this trial. He summarised the Crown's position over the course of around 3.5 hours, fairly concise in the context of a trial which has now run for 9.5 weeks. Over the course of the day, Mr. Rocca highlighted some of the key evidence which the jury has been presented with over the past 2-odd months, tying alleged actions to the 7 distinct charges that Gillian Balban is facing. He reminded the jury this trial is not looking at what happened to the money that is alleged to be missing. Rather, he reiterated the prosecution's central argument that Ms Balban hid the loss of millions of pounds from the bank by fraudulent means, via an elaborate web of transactions which the prosecution alleges was intended to bypass the bank's security checks. Mr. Rocca said the bank's system had failed catastrophically in preventing or catching Ms Balban, that the discrepancies were only discovered after she was made redundant, and that if she hadn't left, this would probably still be going on. He told the jurors they could choose to believe the testimony of 50 witnesses who gave evidence for the Crown, or the one witness who gave evidence for the defence, Ms Balban herself. Over the next 2 days, defence lawyer Sir Peter Rocca KC will give his closing arguments. Judge Liam Yates will then instruct the jury on Monday and Tuesday, before handing over to the 9 jurors who will deliberate before delivering their verdicts.